Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to make LinkedIn account public. Friends, if your LinkedIn account is private and you want to public it, then you need to open LinkedIn app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now press on settings. In settings, press on visibility. Now here press on public profile settings. Now here scroll it little down. Now here if your public profile visibility is turned off, then you need to enable it. Now friends, your LinkedIn profile is public. So friends, like this you can very easily make your LinkedIn account public. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.